Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at the stock NEO. We are going to look at it whether the stock is a buy or a sell or a hold at this price level of $12.82. So let's get started. We will be looking its chart and its minimum entry, maximum entry, and some calls if possible. So let's get started. Before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the informations are recorded there, so you can check it out at any time. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days and weeks. You know that I was a little bit reluctant to add NEO to the watch list because I missed the initial entry, so waiting for the consolidation, but the stock is on the fire, so it looks like it made a quick consolidation as of this week. That was, I believe, so that is the reason I believe this stock is offering an entry point, even though it's a little extended and the consolidation is not that tight. So we can look at the chart in a little bit, but I believe this stock is offering an entry point at the price level of $12.82. And that is your minimum entry price, and the maximum entry price would be $13.46. So that is the range we are looking at. So it is 5% from your minimum entry point is your maximum entry point. So any price beyond that point will be considered as extended. So in case the stock pull back with a normal reaction, you may end up with a loss. So the next one is the stop loss, which is a very key for this stock because it is very volatile stocks. So you may want to give a little bit room, but the stop loss is $11.79. So anytime if the stock price is below that price level, just keep an eye on it. You may want to cut it short and move on to a next position. So let's look at this chart real quick before we look at the profit loss projection. So the ideal entry point for this stock is right here. So, but the time I missed it because it was very low priced and Tesla was his competitor. But it is really nicely gapped up and showed some strength. And last week it made a huge reversal, but the volume is not that explosive when compared with the accumulation. So it looks like it's kind of bottomed out at this price level. So hopefully, it can rally from this point onwards. That's the reason I believe that the stock is now ready to move on from this point onwards. It made a huge gain last week. Lots the week before, and I had a reversal last week, but it's trying to recoup it. So looks like the stock is in a good position. The chart looks very good. It does not look that bad at all. So that is the reason I believe this stock is offering an entry point around $12.82. And here is a nice gap up. I believe that it may not hit the gap down anytime soon. So here is the quick loss and profit projection for you. So the stop loss is at $11.79. So anytime it posts that price, you may want to sell it and move on. And the stock should post at least 5% gain by August 10th. And the stock should post at least 20% gain by October 12th. If it has a real firepower, it might reach that price level before that. So that is your very high level projection. So let's look at some calls. So I could not able to find any decent call for this stock because the stock is very low priced and very in a hot market with the Tesla. So people many people can afford these calls. So instead of buying Teslas, I believe a lot of people are buying on this one. So these calls are really pricey. So I could not able to find anything meaningful. But the one you can look at it January 21, 15 or 16 or 17, it may be not decently priced, but still I see all the calls are very expensive for the stock. So here is one example for January 15th, $16 call. That's going to cost you $363. But if you look at the price, the break-even price is even $19. So all the calls are kind of priced right now. So you may want to dig further more before you get into buying any calls for the stock. And one more thing, you want to know that this stock is now very closely related to Tesla, and Tesla is reporting the earnings on Wednesday. So this stock might be moving along with the Tesla in coming days. So that's all, guys. I believe NEO is a buy at this price range. So let's see how it behaves in coming days. I will put the tracker in the description link, so you can check it out anytime you want, and we can also track it along the way. So please check out our website. Everything is there. You can refer it at any time. And please check out all our social media site. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming weeks and days. And I will see you guys shortly. Thank you and have a great night.